Hello everybody, so we are going to play the little foot treasure. So I just upgraded my car a little bit. So there's a little bit more, it's a little bit more closer. So my friend Dio, he just joined the game. And I just want to play with him. Oh. Well, kind of. Okay. Let's just make this unanchored. Let's go! So he was in blue team. I just knew it. Gotta go. Hi. Is Dio here? Here? Dio here? Dio, ma. Amy, what's my friend? I forgot to make an exit on this. So we go in. I'll just make this collection. That. Go, go, go. Yeah, it's broken. Take him here. Shoot me, cannon. Shoot to me. Yeah. Oh, it shot me. One time. Cool. Oh. I really want to make a tank, but I forgot something. I made an armored suit. I kind of have to fix it. This was some good glue, and what was it? Was some pistons. So this is just the test for what I'm gonna do right now. So we're gonna press this. We're gonna have a little lever. How about a button? Okay, we're gonna have a button that connects. So, put it down. We're gonna put a glue block. It doesn't work. Does it go down? It doesn't. No, it does. So how will this move? If there's another piston. Both are not working. So how will this work? I'm looking at. Okay, my armor. We just have to get in, like, Squeeze me in! Please! Boom, 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 boom.